Hi there, my name is Katie. I'm a librarian at Carnegie Library of Pittsburgh. Today we're going to turn our attention to FamilySearch.org. In particular, we're going to learn how to use the catalog to find all the records related to areas we're researching. Some of these records are not indexed, meaning those records won't show up in our general searches. We'll focus on Allegheny County records as an example, but you can adjust these steps for any region. FamilySearch.org is a great tool to continue your genealogy research. You can set up a free account and have access to thousands of record collections, many of which are different than the collections available in Ancestry. So to start looking for our Allegheny County records, we're going to click on Search in the top menu bar and move down to Catalog. This will search the whole library catalog for the Family History Library in Salt Lake City, including books, genealogies, and microfilm. The default search is by place. So we'll start by typing in Allegheny to find our Allegheny County records. And we're going to choose this first autofill, the United States, Pennsylvania, Allegheny. If we choose the second one, the Allegheny autofill, we'll be searching Allegheny City, now Pittsburgh's north side. We'll go ahead and click on that. Down here, we'll select Online under Availability, so we're only viewing records and materials that we can see online now. As you can see, we can also search by surname, author, and more, but remember that these are fields that would have to be part of the basic description of each book or microfilm, not names buried within the item, as many of the records we are searching for are going to be unindexed. We'll click Search to see all of our Allegheny County records that are available online. If you click the arrow or the subject heading, you'll be able to see the titles within each category. We'll go down here to Vital Records and we'll click on this, and we'll be able to scroll through our catalog record for links to our images. Let's go all the way down and take a look at registration of births in the city of Pittsburgh, 1870 to 1905. Once we are in this collection, we can view the record and the format. This camera right here means that you can view images from the microfilm online. The camera with the magnifying glass means there is a searchable index if you click on the magnifying glass. And if you come across an icon that's a camera with a key, that means that the materials can't be viewed from home and must be accessed at either a family history center or an affiliate like CLP. So we're going to come down here and we're going to click on Pittsburgh births right here, and we'll click on the camera. Once we click on the records, we will be able to see our digitized microfilm. In this case, using the information from one of the indexes on the previous page, we would be able to find which volume and page number we are looking for, and then click in to view the registration of births. So we're in volume 5 right now. We'll just go ahead and take a look at this. This is page 294, and we can see that this registration of birth right here. Spend some time exploring FamilySearch. There is a lot to find here.